2, y-intercept. What is it?
-3.
Incorrect. 0, -3. It is a point. You must write it as a point with an x and a y value. My favorite lesson. Don't ruin it for me. So, my one point that I have right now is 0, -3. If you're really lazy or pinched for time, you can just do that, and that's acceptable too. I don't like it. But. Okay, vertex. We must
Complete square.
complete the square. So, how do I complete the square? You have to have x squared as your first thing, which means I have to factor out the minus sign. Each time we've left out the -3, so we will leave out the -3 now. If you don't know how to complete the square, these problems will be impossible for you. Good luck. So, if you need to, go find a completing the square worksheet on Khan Academy. Do like hours of completing the square practice so you guys are ready, because that is just some small piece to this much bigger problem. I see your hand. I'm not addressing it. What do we have left in here? If I take out the minus from -x squared, I'm left with x squared. If I take out a minus from 4x, I'm left with -4x. Because whatever mathematical things I do, I have to be able to get it back to the original. If I distribute this minus in, I get the original thing that I started with. I'm not allowed to change the parabola to solve the problem. Surprised? No. So, divide this by 2 and square it. What do you get? 4 divided by 2 is 2, squared is 4. So I'm going to add 4. Freeze. Look up here. Look tight. If I add 4, I must
subtract 4.
Add 4. What?
Yes.
We have to be able to get back to the original problem. Watch what happened. Let's multiply it out and see if we subtract 4, if we get the same thing out.
It's not going to get the same.
I know it's not.
Then why are we going to do it?
Because I have to show you, otherwise you'll be like, ugh, and then not believe it. Is this the same as the original?
No.
No, because what we did secretly while adding 4 inside is we really subtracted 4. This minus distributes. So by adding 4 inside the parentheses, I really subtracted 4.
Okay.
And in order to get it to balance, on the outside you must add 4. So you have to look out for that when you have the factored numbers in front, especially on the open down.
Would we subtract?
Cool. Not answering questions. So now we have this. This becomes x minus 2 squared plus 1. We can find our vertex. It's 2, 1. Remember, it's going to open down. What is our axis of symmetry? X equals 2. I can reflect that point over.
Wait, hold up.
And now I am missing 2, 1. X equals 2. Now I can find my x-intercepts. How do I find x-intercepts? Set y equal to y equals
0.
0. If you solve it off, you'll find that x equals 1 and 3. So our x-intercepts are 1, 0, and 3, 0. Can I graph the parabola? Sure, just like that.
You are a mathematical genius.
Well, I missed both those points. But that's it. Your homework is to only do the rest of the example problems, so example 1, 2, and 3, and practice problems A, B, and numbers 6 and 7. I will write that down here. So you have to do example 100.1, 100.2, those are in the lesson part. Practice A and B, 6 and 7. That's only 2, 4, 6, that's only 7 problems of homework. They're just horrible.